Hello everyone, this is Tarot Galaxy 1111. Welcome to my channel. Now we will start with the reading for the air sign Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. These are the collective readings, and for the second half of the August, what are the messages for you in the second half of the August? Okay, these are the general readings, so it may or may not be resonating with you, so please take the messages wisely according to your situation. And if the messages are resonating with you, then please give me the like, shares and subscription. If you are new on my channel, please make sure you has been subscribed my channel. Okay, very nice. First card is the Queen of Cups. Okay, Death in the reverse. Okay, Four of Cups. Okay, we will see like this. Death in the reverse, Four of Cups, Queen of Wands. Okay, Four of Swords, and okay, the High Priestess. Okay, we will pull the clarifier why the death is here. Okay, Three of Swords in the reverse. Okay, you are healing your heart. Okay, why the Queen of Cups is here? Oh my god, three queens. Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, Queen of... You might be in all the elements. Okay, why the Four of Cups? Why the Four of Cups is here? Please, universe, let us know why the Four of Cups is here. Okay, why the Four of Swords in reverse? Okay, the Moon, the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, 4 cards. Okay, the Eight of Pentacles and 2 Seven of Wands. I will show you in the readings only. Okay, why the High Priestess in reverse? Why the High Priestess in reverse? Please, universe, let us know. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Seven of Swords. Okay, overall energy is the Seven of Swords. You people might be dealing with the... You people might be cutting out of the negative people, sneaky people. See, again the Five of Swords in reverse. Okay, Knight of Swords. You just want to cut out them. Just cut out. Okay, because you now come to know they are just advantage taking people, put you in the third party situation, and you just want to walk away from them. Okay, very nice energy, very nice. It is very good. Okay, and okay, we will see the Queen of Cups. You will get any new proposals. I feel new proposals, and you people have so many options in your love life for your marriage. Okay, financially you are growing up. Financially you also in finance you will get some new opportunities to expand your finance, business, career, work life. Okay, you people got so many calls for your business expansion, for your work situation. It might be promotion, it might be higher salary job. You will you will get the offer for that, or you might be thinking to expand your family, nurture your family. Okay, financially in the second half of the August you are very strong, very strong. Okay, and the Queen of Wands is... You will shine like a queen, you will shine like a very high, very royal person. Okay, and your sun is going to arise. Okay, infinitely, this is for your lifetime. Infinitely, this is for your lifetime. And luck is in your side. The black cat shows us the luck sign, and it is on your favor. So you are now on your position, on your strength, on your passion. You are on high vibrations. Okay, you will shine like a star. You might be a star, you might be a social person, you might be actor or anything, okay, singing like this, okay. You are a star and you will shine like a star. If you are not a star, again still you will shine like a star in the second half of the August. Very nice. So the death in the reverse, death in the reverse, because something has has to end, okay. It's supposed to be end, but you are not ending this situation, or it might be some of you who are dealing with, you might be dealing with the Scorpio person, okay. And this person is don't want to let you go. See, because so many offers are there, it might be this person might be offering you again. This might be your past person for some of you, and that person has been given you heartache or heartbroken, okay, has been done your broken your heart in the past, and now it is coming to your life again to propose you. It might be your ex, you has been healed your heart, okay. And you will see his offer, her offer, or universe will giving you some offer, who that offer will be, it might be strongly it is your ex, because in past you has been moved on from that person, okay. And this card is in reverse, so in right now you will think on that offer, okay. In this second time you will think on that offer, you will be thinking to move to that person again, okay. So, and I told you, you will shine like a star. Sun is rising for you. Very nice. Then the four of swords in the four of wands in the reverse. This connection will not give you stability, okay. And you are questioning, even is there is any stability in this connection, whether it will be or it not, okay. It will be like just unstable relationship in which you will give everything to your everything, but that person will not offer anything, like this, okay. Or it might be will it go in the stable connection for like lifetime. You have so many questions on your mind, or universe, it might be the universe is telling you, it is might be the red flag for you, because in past that person has been hurted you and cheated you, okay. It was a very sneaky person, okay. So you have to cut out that person and move away, because you are not ending this situation, but you are supposed to end this situation. This is the Scorpio card, okay. So don't let them in your life, okay. And in the clarification of four of swords is the four of wands is the moon. I told you, you might be not seeing that will this connection will be stable, or going in the higher level of commitment, or stable situation, stable business, stable offer. You are in the unknown, you are in the dark, or some of you might be getting the signs and signals in your dreams, and your intuitions are telling you, guiding you, but you are not listening your intuitions, because the high priestess, which is a major arcana, it is in reverse. You are not listening your intuitions. You has been not open your third eye chakra, and you are supposed to do that, okay. And money offer is going to come to your way. It might be that person will offer for you the business thing. You will get a money offer, you will get the prosperity, okay. And seven of swords in reverse. So now you don't want to fight for this situation, for this connection. You just want to, whatever it is happen, it will be happen, like this, okay. But you don't want to fight for this, okay. You just go with the, you are just want to go with the flow. And you are not ready to get married to this person, even though you are thinking for this, it is in your mind, or it is in your thoughts, but you are not feeling good enough with this connection, okay. So listen your intuition. High priestess is reverse, because that person has been backstab you, okay. and you just have to hope for the new beginning. Page of Wands, again the new offer will come to you as you open your third eye chakra. Okay, that person might be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or maybe fire in Mars in their chart. Okay, that person is advantage taking person. They want to take advantage, adventures, sorry for that word, adventures. Okay, and they will do the actions also. They will not do like this, give you the promises and give you the false commitments. No, this person will not do that. Okay, so this was the messages for you in the second half of the August. Now we will see the guidance from the unicorns decks. Please unicorns, give us the guidance for the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, perspective. Examine your situation from a higher perspective. Rather than fighting, you just have to shake hand and move ahead. Okay, because unicorns are universe is there to take care of you. Okay, change your perspective of thinking, change your perspective of vision. Okay, as you change your perspective, then the situation will change. Okay, then the second card is the closeness. I told you there are 10 of swords, so 10 of swords is letting us know that there is a closeness. Okay, your one tough life cycle has been end. Okay, the death in the reverse. Okay, so it is going to end, or some of you it might be happen with you. Okay, it might be the chapter has been closed, you has been closed that chapter for the permanent. Okay, so closeness, your unicorn is very close to you, and now unicorns are close to you, the god is very close to you. You are just listening to the god, you are just near to the god. Okay, you want to pray, you want to spiritually, you are awakening yourself. Okay, then the aspiration, you are unlimited, so aim for the stars. Okay, you have everything. I told you, Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, and the Queen of Cups. So you have so many things in you. You are a very stable person, and you are very genuine and very nice person. Okay, you will not settle for the less, you will not settle for the less. So you are unlimited, everything is in you. Okay, you are enough, you are unlimited, so aim for the stars, aim for the stars. I told you, you will be shine like a star. Okay, so aim for it, aim for that. Birth, the number 2, be receptive to new idea, child, or situation. I told you, some of you might be expanding your family. Okay, getting pregnant or want to expand your family, so there will be good news for some of you. So be receptive for this, universe is telling you, be receptive for this. Okay, it will be the new idea, new child, or situation. For some of you, I told you, for the new business offers will come to you, or the connection, love connections will be come to you. So be receptive for this new, for the new. Okay, and the honesty will ultimately be rewarded, because in the past you will be very honest with that person, but that person has been broken your heart very badly, but that honesty has been ultimately be rewarded. Okay, and that person has been come into your life again. Okay, so that is your good karma. I told you, your good luck is with you, your good luck is with you. Whatever you done very positive karma, good karma, it is going to come to you. The laughter attracts the unicorns. Okay, if you attract the love, blessings of the love, blessings of the god, unicorns, angels, then you have to be very happy. Set your vibrations high, aim for the big stars. Okay, so be happy whatever the situation will be, but you have to be happy for yourself. And the last is the 4 plus is 7, 4 plus 3 is 7, Queen of the Unicorns. You are blessed with the love, compassion, and wisdom, because 3 queens are here in your readings. It is again significant, giving the positive message that you are blessed with the love, compassion, and wisdom. So universe is with you, god is with you, and all is come into your into all the puzzle is going to be sorted in the divine timing. 4 plus 3 is the 7, so in divine timing everything will be okay. don't worry. And the freedom, 10, again 10. Let the unicorns set you free. You just have to free yourself and enjoy your life. Be in high vibration and laughter. Okay, laughter attracts the unicorns. Whatever the blessings you want to attract, even if you put yourself in high vibration, then only. So for that you have to free yourself first. Okay, so take the guidance of the unicorns and free yourself. Okay, so this was your reading for the Aquarius, Libra, Gemini air signs. Please let me know in the comment section if reading is resonating with you, and please share my channel and give thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.